Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Podoeil 1.43 inches AMOLED military smartwatch for man with Bluetooth call function. We have over 100 sports modes available. This is not only a nice device, it is a fitness tracker too, with a heart rate and blood pressure and SpO2 monitor. It's a tactical smartwatch for iOS devices and of course for Android like Samsung or all other Android devices out there are compatible. It's on the market in black and in silver. We have here the highest technology AMOLED screen and customized stylish devices. The smartwatch for man features the highest technology AMOLED screen in the industry, providing a rich color display and a high definition visual experience. With a resolution of up to 466 to 466 pixels, we can easily view the screen even in sunlight, without worrying about reflection issues. Additionally, the smartwatch comes with both stainless steel and a silicone watchband, this allowing us to choose the perfect fit for our style. With the app, we can access to over 300 customizable watch faces and even create our own unique design, using our personal photo to showcase our individuality and style. Here is a military-grade certified all-metal enclosure smartwatch, subjected to the harsh durability we're testing on the planet, simulating desert, rainforest, and Arctic conditions. This military-grade smartwatch undergoes 15 strict trials to achieve unmatched results, proving that only a timepiece engineered touch enough for any environments can be smart enough for accessibility, empowering the wearer wherever life leads. With an IP67 water resistance rating, the watch withstands splashes, wet and rainstorms, able to be worn while washing the hands or in a light rain. All touch, it's not suitable for swimming or for prolonged submersion. And you see, it's easy to pair them. We will need the Fit Cloud Pro app, FitCloudPro, which you can download from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then you are going to pair them easily in a glance, in a second, as you can see. And then we can make Bluetooth calls and get message notifications. We simply connect it via the app to make the Bluetooth calls and listen to music from this smartwatch. It answers calls and get vibration alerts for messages and all other up-to-date data, all from our wrist. Gain freedom from constantly checking our phone while driving, exercising, or doing activities that make holding our phone difficult. By centralizing the calls and the notifications, this tactical smartwatch ensures us stay in know while reducing the distraction, so we can focus fully on what we are doing. We have 100 plus sports modes and super long battery life, featuring 107 built-in sport modes for any activity, from walking and running to cycling, climbing, yoga, and beyond. This fitness smartwatch here enables effortless tracking of daily data like steps, distance, and calorie burn for any pursuit. It also offers breathing training. With a large capacity of 380 mAh battery, the watch charges fully in just 2 hours, and then provides up to 10 days of continuous use per charge, extending to an impressive 30-day standby time. And we have around the clock health tracking. This advanced smartwatch features a built-in optical sensor that continuously monitors our heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and blood pressure too. Ooh, this is an approximation, of course, device around the clock. All touch, it's not intended as a medical grade diagnostics. This comprehensive real-time physiological monitoring allows for effective health tracking. The sleep tracker provides an in-depth analytic of our sleep stage, quality, and duration to help us make wise decisions that nurture our well-being. With the 24/7 tracking, we can gain the insight to sculpt a healthier lifestyle. And we have here the AMOLED smartwatch, which is a wide compatibility possibility. It is compatible with iOS 8 and above, and Android 4.4 or above, smartphones, and Bluetooth 5.0. You see, the 1.43 inches AMOLED always-on display makes a good job with 466 to 460 high resolution AMOLED clocks that comes with a Samsung screen technology device here. Ooh, that's cool. We have military grade standard. The entire metal frame design is suited for use in extreme environments. It's sweat-proof. It works from minus 40 degrees Celsius up to 70 degrees Celsius temperature. Dust-proof, anti-impact proof. And we have 380 milliamp hour built-in battery. That means the big capacity for 15 days use time. In only 2 hours full charged and standby a month. The working time about 10 days, charging time 2 hours. So fast, so good looking. We have Bluetooth calling options. The built-in speaker and a microphone supports making and receiving calls. Easy peasy on our wrist. And of course, message notifications. Never miss any important messages from all your messages or notifications on your smartwatch and smartphone. And we have over 100 sports modes with a lot of functions. Step, calories, distance, all is in and on tracking. 24/7 health monitor. There's heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, all the good stuff for you. Will give you a better, healthier life. And sleep tracker. Whenever we sleep, they have our covered. More function. Remote camera option. We use shutter function to remote control our phone to take pictures, so we don't have to worry about no one taking a group photo for us, for example. This is our new smart device here. Voice assistant, accurate timing for a better control of one's movement. And not enough, here comes stopwatches. Accurate timing for better control of one's movements. So, that's cool. Music control. We can control the switch of our music on the watch. We listen to our favorite songs anytime, and we keep a good mood with that. Really cool weather forecast. Real-time synchronized mobile weather forecast. We can know the weather information in advance to prepare our trip where we like to go. It is easy to connect, as you see in that video. We go and pair them. We turn on the Bluetooth on our phone. We download the FitCloud Pro app. Then we go to FitCloud Pro and click Add Device. We find the K59 and click to connect. Then we click pairing mode, enable the contact and call permissions. We turn on the call audio on the watch, and then it's lifetime. This is a cool watch for everyday use. This is the Podoeil AMOLED military smartwatch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.